and one Polaris. Go full send, you know?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
One Polaris. It's about to be 50 pieces of Polaris.
Pieces of Polaris.
That's right. That's why you got your
Get one in the chamber. Are you ready? Bang right after 3.
Whoa.
I hope we both miss because it's gonna be like, pow! We're like, huh? Are y'all ready? Is everybody ready? Hold on, my ear probe.
Could you imagine, bro?
That would have hurt.
Yeah.
Hey, you got it in your pocket, Brayden.
It's in your pocket.
All right, everybody ready?
All right, man. I'll let you do the countdown.
1, 2, 3. Oh, like a tire!
Oh my God!
It worked.
Oh, it's gone! It's gone!
The tire!
Oh my goodness.
That